applications of the energies like fossil fuels, nuclear energy, tidal, solar, wind, biofuels, environmental issues like global warming and ozone depletion that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So as per the introduction concern, energy means it is a source to do or to execute the particular work output from either manually or either using machine. That is called the energy. Energy is a actually source needed to execute the work output. Okay, that is called the energy. So that electrical energy required for the lights, fans, cars, computers, and televisions to operate. Okay, in order to operate a fan, you will need an electrical energy. Okay, in order to operate the car, you need an energy. Which type of energy is that? Where is the source? What type of energy is that? In order to run mechanical energy. How the mechanical energy produced in the car? Using a piston arrangement. How the chemical energy, we should say. The answer is a chemical energy. How the chemical energy induces inside the combustion chamber by burning the fuel. Whenever the petrol is entered into the combustion chamber, the petrol burns and produces some heat energy. That heat energy is converted into mechanical work output using a piston and cylinder arrangement. That mechanical work output itself is used to move the car. Okay, that is another type of energy source. Electrical energy source is one type of energy source, and a fuel energy. Car is moving with a fuel energy, whereas lights, fans, you need an electrical energy as a source. Then a computer, you need electrical energy, and a television also you need an electrical energy. Okay. The combination of mechanical and electrical energy is needed to fetching the water from the level from the well or a river with a pump in order to supply the water from the lower elevation to the higher elevation. What you are going to do? You need an external device in order to supply the water from the higher elevation to the lower elevation. You don't need any external device. Automatically, water flows without any external device. Automatically, water flows from higher elevation to the lower elevation. Whenever you want to supply the water from the lower elevation to the higher elevation, you need an external device. It is easy to supply the water from the syntax to the you know no washing one wherever you want. Okay, so like a kitchen, it is easy to supply the water from the syntax to the kitchen. Whereas it is very difficult automatically without any external device we can supply the water. Okay, whereas in order to supply the water from the sump to the syntax is it easy. You need a pump. Okay, you need a pump. So for running the pump, you need an electrical energy. So electrical energy and the pump is required to pump the water from the sump to the syntax. Okay, from the syntax to the end users, you can use any. We don't need any of the such type of energy. Energy is a basic requirement for work output either by human or machine. Energy is the most basic infrastructure input required for the economic growth and development of country. With an increase in the living standards of a human being, the energy consumption also accelerated. As the population is increasing, the demand on the fuel or energy consumption is also increasing. What are the applications? So here we can see the types of energies also. So this is one type of energy. So types of energy along describes the applications as well as type of energy sources. Okay. So energy available in the fossil fuel. Okay, what are the fossil fuels? The coal, petrol, diesel, okay, natural gas, LPG, all these are the fossil fuels. Okay, so all where the energy source, petroleum product, all these are the petroleum products. Okay, energy available in the fossil fuel is used in the automobile industry. Okay, in the automobile industry and electricity power generation and the manufacturing production industry also. Okay, in the manufacturing industry, you need a heat treatment process. Material once it is the steel manufacturing process. You know what is where the steel manufacturing process how it is manufactured steel. Have you visited any time with that JSW? Anybody, any of you have visited JSW Steel Manufacturing Company? So there, the iron ore is taken and iron is separated from the ore, and that iron is mixed with some other impurities. Then it will be, steel. Stainless steel is will be manufactured. That's after the steel is manufactured, its mechanical properties will not be improved. In order to improve the mechanical properties of a particular steel, the heat treatment process will be done. Annealing, neutralizing, and normalizing is also be done. So all these heat treatment process will be done on the steel, so that the mechanical properties, strength, and the ductile property, everything will be improved. So in order to do that, you need an heat energy. That heat energy will be done by the coal itself. Okay. So nuclear energy available in the nuclear fuel is used in the electricity production and the defense sector. Okay, that what is that nuclear bomb? Okay, that is also comes under the defense sector, where we can use it for in the defense areas. And electricity production also we can use this nuclear fuel for the electricity production. Energy available in the hydel is mainly used for the electricity generation and the manufacturing industry. Okay, where the manufacturing industry, how the water can be used as a used in the manufacturing industry. Water jet machining. Water jet itself can be used to cut the metal parts. So that is a hydro energy. Okay, energy available in the water. Water is having such a huge energy. So whenever the water is make to comes out with a high pressure and high velocity, it is having a capacity to cut even the metal. Okay, that is called water jet machining. Okay, so that is used in the manufacturing industry, and we know already that all our KRS dam and many dams are using are generally subsequently they are generating electricity along with the supply water for the irrigation. Along with that, they are generating electricity using a hydroelectric power plant. Then energy available in the solar are used to generate the electricity and water heatment process. So water heat treatment processes and water heaters, solar water heater. Okay, what we are domestically we are using in our homes. So these are the some of the application of solar energies. Solar energy can also be used for the power generation, and energy available in the biofuel can also be used in the power generation, automobile industry, and the manufacturing industry. All the fossil fuels applications are applied to the biofuel. Same. Biofuel application and introduction of the biofuel is the same as that of the fossil fuel. Both are one and the same. You can give the same example for both. So let us stop here. Continue with. I thought to complete this chapter today itself. Yeah. 80 slides are there. It's a little bigger chapter. It needs at least 4 to 5 hours. Listen to me. You start to switch on this projector. Okay. In this, good every time, good start on the bench. Focus. Boss here is not responsible for everything. You know. Hold on a second, I will yes. Tell me. Manvi. NVI.
Space Sinha.
Sinha. SINHA. This one. Complex ID.
205.
054. Okay.